This is a follow-up video to the custom gesture for unlocking iPad using voice control. So if you have not yet set that up, you're going to want to go ahead and get that set up, and I can link the video in the description so that you can go ahead and get your command set up with voice control for unlocking your iPad. The first thing that you're going to want to make sure of is that your iPad is in portrait, not in landscape. Or if you're using an iPhone, same concept. It needs to be in portrait, not in landscape, because the command and gesture is set up using portrait. So if you try to have it in landscape and give the command, the gesture is going to be not lining up with where the passcode keys are. So it's not going to work. So first thing that you need to do, besides making sure your iPad's in portrait, is you need to wake up the screen. And by doing that, you can either tap the home button if you have an older generation iPad or iPhone, or just swipe up, just tap the screen, whatever you do to wake up your screen. The second thing that you need to do is say, wake up. And as you could hear, my iPad's voice control made a whoosh sound, and that lets us know that she is ready to listen. And then I'm going to go ahead and give the command, unlock iPad. And you could hear the swiping sound, the whoosh for the swipe, and then a tap, 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 tap for the 4 taps to unlock the iPad. And then, unless you're going to use voice control to activate anything else, I usually just give the command to have her go to sleep so she does not listen anymore. Go to sleep. And that's it.